Dave, the product team shipped the redesign.
How many components changed?
All of them. New nav, new sidebar, new modal, new everything.
We have 1,000 test scripts. Every single one references the old layout. I spent 3 months writing those tests. It's all gone.
Not if we had DevAssure.
What?
DevAssure does not use any scripts or any locators to create or execute tests. There is literally no concept of locators or page objects in DevAssure. That essentially means zero maintenance of our test scripts. When there are UI changes, the invisible agent just handles it.
So I could have been shipping features this whole time. Wow!
Absolutely. And I think it's high time we start using DevAssure. It takes only a few minutes to get started.